morning, Kevin. Here's your 427 LS. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on. Custom grind hydraulic roller, Holley manifold, oil pump, oil pan, excuse me, Holley front end. We built this for boost. We're just kind of running it in for you naturally aspirated right now. We'll there make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie 3600, 46 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 529, peak horsepower of 600. So like I said, it's kind of boost low compression and stuff like that, NA. So everything's good. We'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things here. See if you're able to find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. You'll also in your packet have this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading over everything there. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.